Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to add text in Davinci Resolve. So if you want to add text, here is a quick guide to help you fix that. So the first thing you have to do for you to be able to add text in Davinci Resolve is to open the effect library. Once you open it, go to the edit page and open the effect library on the left side of the screen. After that, choose the text effect. Now, after you choose the text effect, browse through the title categories to find the text effect you want to use, such as the text plus, or the version title. After that, drag and drop the desired text effect from the library and drop it onto a new track above your video. Click in the title timeline. Click in the timeline. After that, then you have to customize your text. So for you to be able to customize your text, click on the text clip in the timeline. Then in this inspector panel on the right side, you can customize the text by changing the font, the size, the color, the position, and adding animations or effects just to make it more customizable and more enhancing. After that, just do the preview and adjust. So for you to be able to do the preview and adjust, play the video to see how the text looks, maybe any necessary adjustment in the inspector panel can be done. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.